Hello.
Hello,
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Your name is Sahiba?
Yes, my name is Sahiba and I am from India,
Okay. Where in India are you from?
northern part.
The northern part of India. Okay, great.
Yes.
And my name's Michael, as you can see, and I'm from New Jersey.
Sorry, where are you from?
New Jersey, it's the eastern part of America, we could say.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So, how long have you been learning English for?
Uh, 1 month ago.
Oh, wow. 1 month.
Yes,
Okay.
I joined the Cambly 1 month ago. Yes.
Oh, so you joined Cambly 1 month ago?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
But have you been learning English for longer than that, or
Sorry.
um so overall, like in total, how long have you been learning English for?
Yeah. In 6 years ago,
Oh, okay.
school time. Yeah.
So it's been a while. Yeah.
Yeah.
6 years ago. Yeah, that's a long time. Okay. And do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I really like.
Okay, that's good. Because you know
Yeah.
a lot of people have to learn it, because it's so widespread. Uh, but if you
Yeah.
like learning it, that's definitely a big help.
Yes. Yes.
So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Sahiba and I am from Jammu and Kashmir, uh, India. And I'm student. I am in 12th grade and I am 17 years old. Yeah.
Okay. So you're a senior, or you're in the last grade of high school, right?
Yes.
And do you know what you want to study in university, or?
Yes, yes. I will go to university. Yes, next year I will go to university.
Mhm.
Uh, yes, I study in university according to Islam.
Oh, okay. So you'll study like religion, or Islam.
Yes, yes, religion.
Okay, I see. And how did you choose that as your path?
Sorry?
Why did you choose that? Why did you choose to study that?
Uh, actually, I'm interested in Islam.
Mhm.
Yes, Islamic study. It's very easy for me.
Oh,
Yeah,
really? Okay. Is that why you chose
yeah,
it?
yes.
Mhm.
So, what's your profession?
Well, I'm a student as well. I am studying international relations and Russian,
Yeah, okay.
uh, and
Wow.
and then I also do Cambly part-time as a tutor of English.
Okay. So, uh, mm, okay, okay. So, what's your hobbies?
So, as you can see, I play piano. I did study
Oh,
piano
wow.
in university, classical piano. Um, and I also like to, uh, I like exercising, like I like staying in shape. Um, I also like to
Yeah,
read, um, to do amateur astronomy sometimes. Uh, and in general, I like
yes.
to definitely read about like history, for example, or watch historical documentaries and that sort of thing.
Okay.
What's
So, mm-hmm. So, what's your qualification?
my qualification?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Uh, have you completed your uh, graduation?
Oh, no, no, no. So I'm still in university. Like I'm still studying. I haven't
Okay.
I haven't yet graduated. I think I should be graduating in a year.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you want to become for future?
Good question.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, really, honestly. I'm between two things right now. I'll either choose to become a interpreter or an interpreter for like the UN or something.
Hmm.
Probably if I'm gonna learn how to speak like French. I already speak Russian and I already speak German, so I would just have to learn like French, and then I could probably become an interpreter. Either
Yeah.
that, or I'm going to become a pianist or a classical pianist or teacher of piano.
Mm-hmm. So how many languages do you know?
Three. Just three.
Three.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Three. English. English is your own language?
The English is my native language, we would say.
Mm-hmm.
And then I also know German and Russian.
Russian. Okay. Spanish. Spanish.
I don't speak Spanish. No. Do you?
Okay. No. I speak a little bit English
Okay.
and Urdu.
Oh, you speak Urdu?
My own language. Yes.
Oh, okay. I actually was
Yeah.
friends with someone from Pakistan who spoke Urdu.
Oh. So do you know Urdu?
I don't know her. No. I wish. Because I don't think a lot of people speak Urdu in
Yeah.
America, especially. Or in general, really. I think it's a little more rare. So,
Yeah.
could you teach me a word in Urdu?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I'll tell you. How are you?
Okay.
We speak. How are you? आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे हो?
Yes.
Interesting. That sounds
Good.
fun.
Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो?
आप कहाँ से हो?
Yes.
So आप कैसे
आप
हो
कहाँ से
and
हो?
आप कहाँ से हो?
Yes.
Okay, I see.
So
How do you say hi?
okay.
Or hello, is it?
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. It's common.
How do you say it in Urdu? How do you say hi?
Yes. Hi.
Oh, it's just hi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Cool.
Yes.
Same thing.
आप इंडिया में कब आओगे? When you will come in India?
Okay. When will you come to India? Wow.
Yes.
That's a long one. I see.
Yeah.
So you were taught Urdu. That's your first language.
Yes.
And you don't speak Hindi.
No. Yeah.
Okay. I see. Yeah, I don't know too much about Urdu in general. Like, for example, I don't really know a lot about the culture of the language.
Yes.
It seems interesting though. Is there something
Yeah.
you could tell me about it? Like,
Sorry? Speak again.
Could you tell me something interesting about Urdu? Like how it's different from Hindi, for example?
No. Actually, English, Urdu and Hindi same languages, but we write. But writing is change.
Oh, okay. So the writing.
Yes.
I see. Well,
Spoken. Yes.